Go for it. There's more models right here. Look at all this stuff, guys. Damn, they got the 59. That's dope. There it is. Oh, look, there it is. That's the one. That's the one. Oh, they got this one. The Gypsy Wagon, 25 bucks. The Tom Daniel. Let me see. Oh, man. Oh, look at this one. What the hell? Crazy. The show car. Let's look at the Tom Daniels. I hope I don't drop these guys. Oh, shoot. Nope, they're going to come off. Here, let me do this. Let me set the tripod. Let me see. 2 hands. So cute too. Everything's there.
You don't have that? That's when I asked you to have you seen that.
I like even have my favorite.
So well known. But you don't have it.
87.
You don't have it.
Had my first funny car.
But you don't have it. That's what we're saying.
I don't know if this car is. This is one of those.
Yeah, I'll take this one right here. Yeah, I've been looking for this one. This one.
I'm going to let you lead the way.
Okay, cool.
You lead the way.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Yeah, I'll bring your card in a bit. Please take the shop card. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Oh, we got the knife.
Yeah.
Awesome. Hey, Chris.
You have a website too, or? Okay. All right. Cool.
We'll have it hopefully by first year.
Yeah. All right. Awesome. Thank you, sir. Dang. Got it. Check it out, guys. Here, let's show the. Can you see the logo on here? Bam. Right there. Damn. Look at. I got it. I got it, guys. He hooked it up. They have it on. They have everything on sale, 20% off. So this was what, 50? So it came out to 40. But this is the one, bro. I'm gonna tell you why I wanted this. We're gonna go back to that other model. But they have a lot of cool stuff here. Still lots and lots of cool stuff. Yeah, this one's nice too, the iced tea. But this one, look at this one. This one's 25, not bad. Bubble top. I always think of Crow Customs when I think of the bubble tops. Right there, but yeah, I'm gonna go put this in my box, and I'll probably be back. I gotta bring him a shop card for sure. Ooh, look at that! Up there. Let me see. Let me take a look at this. Oh man, oh, it's all good. It's all good. Oh yeah, sure. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Awesome. Thank you. Yeah, appreciate you. Shout out, Juan. I got another kit, bro. Dang. How about you? Anything new? Yeah, that's it. All right. Cool. I'll be back. I'm gonna go bring him a shop card. I'll be back. All right. Let me see. Dang. So you guys saw it right there. Went and I bought a model. It's right here. Bam. All right. Let's go over here real quick. Shout outs to Slowly Models too. All right. Let me flip the camera so I can show you guys why I bought it. Right there. See that one right there? Look at this car. Look at it. It's right there. Beautiful. Excited to build this model. Have fun with the paint job.
Then I go for rivalry.
All right, cool. That kit, the person that built that inspired me to go buy this. Dang, it was meant to be. You got it. All right. All right, all right. Let's see, we're gonna put this over here on my stash. Yo, guess what?
What?
Check it out. I found
Are
it.
you live right now?
Yeah.
Oh, snap.
Nah, we're good. I found it, bro. Hell yeah. It's still sealed too.
Is it all sealed inside?
No, open it. All right, check it out. Let's see it.
Where was it at? In the back
Like-
corner back there somewhere?
Like you did see it earlier then.
I'm telling you, because it was. I saw
Yeah,
something back
yeah.
there.
So it was like not the first one, but the second row. Yeah, dude.
Pink it out.
I'm probably gonna do something different. I don't know. We'll see. I mean, that one inspired me though. You know, I got hyped when I saw that one. Yeah.
I mean, it's good.
I'm like, I want this one. So, hell yeah, dude. I'm gonna go put it over here.